ब्लॉक 3 का यूनिट 3 जिसमें है आईओ स्ट्रीम। ओके, इसमें इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ आईओ क्लास एंड इंटरफेस, फाइनल क्लास एंड इट्स मेथड, ऑटो क्लोजेबल एंड फ्लशेबल इंटरफेस, आईओ एक्सेप्शन, इंट्रोडक्शन टू स्ट्रीम क्लास, बाइट स्ट्रीम क्लास, कैरेक्टर स्ट्रीम्स, सीरियलाइजेशन एंड देन दीज आर। ठीक है, तो ये जैसे है यहाँ पे इसको हम देख लेते हैं। आईओ स्ट्रीम का मतलब क्या है? इनपुट मीन्स डेटा कमिंग इनटू अ प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम यूजर और फाइल, आउटपुट मीन्स डेटा गोइंग आउट टू स्क्रीन और फाइल और नेटवर्क। जावा अलाउज programs to interact with user files and network using IO stream, a system that makes reading and writing data easy and consistent across all platforms. It handles differences like file paths, text encoding, and line ending between operating system. All of this is managed through the java.io package. Real life example: think of IO stream like a water pipe. Input stream: water flow into the tank, reading data from the program. Output: water flows out of tank, sending data out. Example: file reader, fr equal to file reader. Input stream, okay. File reader, file writer. Java IO stream help your program read write data from file, user and notebook easily and smooth, just like flowing water through pipes. Introduction to IO streams and classes. Short and simple summary for that. In Java, IO operations are done using streams, which are like data pipelines that carry information in or out of program on one piece at a time. Input stream reads data into the program. Output writes data out. Main input stream read data, output stream write data, reader reading data, and writer writing data, file handling files and direction. Real life example: imagine a post office. You receive letter. Input stream: you send letter. Output stream: Java uses stream to handle all kinds of IO, reading and writing bytes. Java IO interfaces. Java provides several interfaces in the Java IO package to handle different types of input and output operations like reading and writing data, filling files, and serializing objects. Closable closes the data source or destination. Data input reads primitive data types. Data output write primitive data. Extend allows saving and restoring Java file filter based on the path name. सब कुछ है. Main interface serialization: make a class as capable for being serialized. Real life example: think of serialization like saving a game. Now, when you save the game, output is serialized. Convert the byte to write to byte and return to file. When you load the game, object is deserialized, restored from file. File classes in Java. Simple because a file classes in Java from Java.io package used to represent and manipulate files and directories. Unlike other IO classes, it does not stream. It only describes the file properties such as path, permission and modification date. It interacts directly with the file system, not through system. A file object represents the name and location of a file directory, not the actual data inside it. It can check properties like file name, path, and this. How to create file object: file f1 equal to new file, this f2 equal to think of the file class like a folder shortcut of an icon of the computer. Think of a file class like a folder shortcut or file icon of your computer. It shows the file's location and info. File method in Java. The file class method in Java allows you to check and manage file or directory properties such as name, path, readability, or extensions directly from the file system. Common file method: get name, return the file name, exists, return true if the file exists, can write, return true if the file is writable, can read, return true if the file is readable, if file return true is directory. ये एग्जाम्पल हो गया. ठीक है. Think of a file class like checking a file on your computer's explorer. एग्जाम्पल है. Closable, flushable, auto interface. Closable interfaces. has one method close used to release system resources implemented by stream classes. Flushable has one method flush used to forcefully write buffer data to the destination. Auto closable info also includes the close method but is called automatically. Work with try catch resources. IO exception. IO exception occur when an input output operation fails, breaking the normal program flow. Stream classes. What are stream classes in Java? Stream classes are used to handle input and output operations like reading data from a file, typing input from a keyboard, and sending output to the screen network. A stream acts like a pipe that carries data from one place to another. Input stream brings data into the program. Output stream sends data out of the program. Types of streams. There are two main types of stream: byte stream and character stream. Handle binary data. Handle text data. Byte stream. Byte stream class used to perform binary operation. Input stream used to read data from bytecode source. Output stream abstract class used to write bytes to a destination. File input used to read bytes from a file. Used to write bytes to a file. Reads byte from a byte array instead of file. Character stream classes. Character stream are used to reading and writing text instead of bytes. Reader and writer. Write plus file reader. क्या रीडर रीड्स क्या अरे राइटर ये सब कुछ है. रीडर रीड कैरेक्टर. रीडर read character. Write characters. File reader from file. Write file. Read from character. Write to serialization. Serialization का बारे क्या बोल रहे हैं. Serialization means saving an object's data into a file or memory so it can be reused later. Serialization means saving an object's data into a file or memory so it can be reused later. When we read it back, it calls a deserialization. Example: serialization is saving a game. When you save a game, the current level score player saved into the file. Serialization when you load the game, all progress is restored. Sorting program data permanently. Sending object over the network. Used for Java RMI remote method invocation. How Java makes it: if any object refer to the object, Java automatically serialize all linked object to, even if they form loops. Key into serialization: make a class can be serialized, has no method, extend use when the manual control. Quick summary: serialization, converting object byte stream, converting the byte stream. Serialization allows automatic serialization. Extendable interface allows manual control. Write object used to serialize. Read object used to deserialize. Skip saving that variables RMI uses serialization to send object over network. When you click save game, all details are written into a file. When you click save game, all details are written into the file serial. When you click load game, everything come back just it was deserialization. Done.